All right, so we're going to take a loop band and we're going to just kind of systematically start from top to bottom, try to prime the nervous system, make you feel like you just did some like max outs on bench and squat just to get the body primed, ready to generate a lot of force. So the first thing we're going to want to do, right, I like to start with the top down. So we're going to create a little bit of pressure. We're going to do some neck rolls. Don't have to do many of these, but some neck rolls side to side. Create a little pressure through that band. And then we can do some gentle rolls and tucks, right? Just to make sure that our neck is rolling pretty good on our thoracic spine. From here, I'm going to do one of these at a time, okay? Leaving the other one out in front. Opening up the thoracic spine. Shouldn't feel a lot of pinching in the back. So if you feel like you're ripping stuff back, you're doing it wrong. We want the rotation to come from the shoulder, okay? Thoracic spine there. And then once we do that, get that moving, we're going to do similar setup, but staggered stance, and we're going to start to rotate side to side, keeping our torso stable. So we're going to move that across, and obviously we can do that on the opposite side. So from here, we're going to start getting some of our, we're going to get back to shoulders here in a second, but we want to do some hinging. So I'm going to drop everything back and extend. So feel the load in the glutes on the way down. Feel everything come up. Glutes and hamstrings on the way down. Then you're loading everything back up. You can do this single leg, which I think gives a little bit better of an activation. We're getting a little rotation as we kind of curtsy, kind of lunge ourselves in there. We're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. That's a bad one. Hinge, butt goes back. Hinge, butt goes back. Okay, so that should be pretty good there. Now, we're going to get ourselves in posture. We're going to find a good place on the band that we can hang on to, okay? And we're going to just rotate. And we're going to rotate our torso on top of our hip there. There. Now, obviously, we do the same thing on the opposite side. Rotate opposite way. Another one that we really like to do is pushing shoulders forward and